right, GBMC, this is the video to find the winner of my Clay Matthews 16 by 20. So we'll check the time, November 22nd at 9:21 p.m. We're going to go over to the raffle and type live. And we have November 22nd at 9:21 p.m. There is the list of our 10 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever is on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 11. All right, 11 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Joseph. Spot 4 is your winner. So, Joseph, get with me to collect your clay. There is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, November 22nd, 9:22 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.